I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, the celebrity hair transplant surgeon. I'm going to tell you everything about after hair transplant procedure and itching and what you should do about it. So if you had a hair transplant procedure, after hair transplant for the first few days, you may have some itching on donor and recipient area, specifically on the transplanted area. So the reason for that is some of it is because of the inflammation and inflammatory process after hair transplant. The other reason for itching is scabs. That little dryness after hair transplant could be developing, and it may cause itchiness. To get rid of it, you can do a good job with hair wash. We recommend to wash your hair twice a day after procedure for the first few days, and after day 5 you have to leave shampoo on for 15 minutes or 20 minutes so the scabs get really soft, and you can gently do the rotational move and get rid of all the scabs. When the scabs are gone, the itching should be subsided or it should be gone altogether. I hope you learn about the phenomenon of itching after hair transplant procedure. If you have more questions about hair transplant and after hair transplant care, check our website or put your questions in the comment section.